Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this paint by line elf. I've gone in first and base coated his hat using the color Limeade and Peony. I'm base coating his beard now in the color Cotton. I also use Savannah Mist for the jingle bell that he's holding. I'm going in now with a little bit of putty for his hands and his nose. And all the colors I'm using are Dixie Belle chalk paint, which can be purchased online at buildacross.com, as well as the cutout I'm using and the brushes as well. I'm going in now and painting his pants, and I'm using Limeade for those. Now I'm going to go in and add some light little stripes using my Sharpie brush stroke marker on top of his hat that I'm going to add lights to. And what I'm going to use to add those little lights is the bottom of my sponge brush in the color Peony, the Gulf, and Evergreen. And now I'm going in and painting his shoes in Evergreen. And then I'm going to let everything dry, and once it's dry, I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker and outline everything. I'm also going to use this Sharpie brush stroke marker to go in and do a little hand lettering on his hat. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to swap my marker for a paintbrush. I'm going to grab a number 4 round in the color Cotton, which is Dixie Belle's whitest and brightest white. And I'm going to highlight everything just to soften and finish my look. And then after that, I will be done. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.